Patrymau Iaith diwrnod 1. Conwy, sylfaen. Day 1 language patterns. Your day in Conwy uses units 1 and 2 of the sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from these units. Rhif 1. Siarad am y gorffennol. Talking about the past. Using the irregular verbs gwneud, to do, mynd, to go, and cael, to have, in the past, is a major part of learning Welsh. Mi wnes I did. Mi es I went. Mi ges I had. You will need to be able to use these verbs for all the different people, as positive statements, negative statements, and questions. It is important to remember that these patterns cause a soft mutation in the following word, and that the mutation is on the dim in the negative. For once, responding with yes or no is easy. Do neu naddo. Here are a few examples. Es di i'r castell yng Nghonwy dros y penwythnos? Do, mi es I i'r castell. Wnes ti weld y ddraig yn y mynedfa? Naddo, nes I ddim gweld y ddraig. Ges ti amser da? Do, mi ges I amser ardderchog. Here are the full patterns for gwneud, mynd, and cael in the past tense. Gwneud in the past tense. I did. You did. Mi wnes I weld. Mi wnes ti. Mi wnaeth o. Mi wnaeth hi. Mi wnaeth Edward. Mi wnaeth y plant. Mi wnaethon ni. Mi wnaethoch chi. Mi wnaethon nhw. Wnes I ddim gweld. Wnes ti ddim. Wnaeth o ddim. Wnaeth hi ddim. Wnaeth Edward ddim. Wnaeth y plant ddim. Wnaethon ni ddim. Wnaethoch chi ddim. Wnaethon nhw ddim. Wnes I weld. Wnes ti. Wnaeth o. Wnaeth Edward. Wnaeth y plant. Wnaethon ni. Wnaethoch chi. Wnaethon nhw. Mynd in the past tense. I went. You went. Mi es I. Mi es ti. Mi aeth o. Mi aeth hi. Mi aeth Edward. Mi aeth y plant. Mi eithon ni. Mi eithoch chi. Mi eithon nhw. Es I ddim. Es ti ddim. Aeth o ddim. Aeth hi ddim. Aeth Edward ddim. Aeth y plant ddim. Eithon ni ddim. Eithoch chi ddim. Eithon nhw ddim. Es I. Es ti. Aeth o. Aeth hi. Aeth Edward. Aeth y plant. Eithon ni. Eithoch chi. Eithon nhw. Cael in the past tense. I had. You had. Mi ges I ginio. Mi ges ti. Mi gaeth o. Mi gaeth hi. Mi gaeth Edward. Mi gaeth y plant. Mi geithon ni. Mi geithoch chi. Mi geithon nhw. Ches I ddim cinio. Ches ti ddim. Chaeth o ddim. Chaeth hi ddim. Chaeth Edward ddim. Chaeth y plant ddim. Chitho ni ddim. Chitho chi ddim. Chitho nhw ddim. Ges I ginio? Ges ti? Gaeth o? Gaeth hi? Gaeth Edward? Gaeth y plant? Geitho ni? Geitho chi? Geitho nhw? Rhif 2. Sy. Gair sy'n cysylltu. Sy, a linking word. In Welsh, we can join two present tense sentences with the little linking word sy. In English, you would use that, which, or who. Dwi'n nabod John. Mae John yn byw yn Wrecsam. Dwi'n nabod John sy'n byw yn Wrecsam. I know John who lives in Wrexham. Mae gen I gi. Mae'r ci yn hoffi cerdded. Mae gen I gi sy'n hoffi cerdded. I have a dog that or which likes walking. Rhif 3. Sy mewn cwestiynau. Sy in questions. Let's think about question words. Sut, lle and pryd are usually followed by mae. Sut mae'r tywydd? Lle mae'r car? Pryd mae'r cyfarfod? Be, or beth, faint and pwy are usually followed by ydy. Be ydy dy enw di? Faint ydy'r bil? Pwy ydy'r tiwtor? Pwy ydy John? In the examples above, all of the words that follow ydy are definite or specific nouns. Your name, the bill, the tutor, John. These questions are about identification. The ydy works like an equal sign. Pwy equals a tiwtor. John equals a tiwtor. Faint equals a bill. Pimpint equals a bill. Now look at the following. Pwy sy'n diwtor? Who is a tutor? Indefinite, non-specific. If you are using an indefinite noun, use sy instead of ydy. Pwy sy'n talu? Who is paying? Be sy'n digwydd? What's happening? Pwy sy'n boeth? Who is hot? Faint sy'n y dosbarth? How many are in the class? These questions are about information, not identification. They are not followed by a definite or specific noun or person. Instead, there is an indefinite noun, a verb, an adjective, or a preposition. For these, we use sy. Sy questions could be translated, who is it that is paying? What is it that is happening? Who is it that is hot? Rhif 4. Adolygu treigladau. Revising mutations. Mutations are everywhere, so a quick recap is always useful. These are the letters that mutate. P, T, K. B, D, G. M, Ll, R. Treiglad meddal. B, D, G. V, dd. V, L, R. Treiglad trwynol. Mha, nha, ng, n. treiglad llais. F, th, ch. A few mutation rules that were covered in the mynediad course. Soft mutation. After the patterns gwneud, mynd and dod in the past tense, unless blocked by dim. After the prepositions o, I, am, ar, at. Adjectives after yn. Feminine nouns after the definite article. Adjectives after feminine nouns. After de when it means you're something. After a when it means his something. Nasal mutation. After the when it means my something. After un when it means in a place. Aspirate mutation. After a when it means her something. After a, ag.